The low-level fatal error, or LLFE, was a common crash issue when Stalker 2 launched, often resulting in a blue screen or system freeze. This error stemmed from unhandled exceptions, particularly during resource-intensive moments like loading or combat. It was worsened by the game's use of Unreal Engine 5. Common triggers included outdated drivers, insufficient VRAM, overclocked hardware, or conflicts with antivirus software. The good news is that through iterative patching, particularly patches 1.1, 1.0.2, and 1.1.0, the LFE has been significantly mitigated. These patches addressed memory management, DirectX incompatibilities, and optimized performance, dropping occurrences to under 5% for active players. To fix this, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, verify the integrity of game files through Steam or GOG, and consider disabling overclocking if applicable. A safe mode option introduced in early patches can also help bypass graphical features that may cause crashes on lower-end hardware. As of late 2025, Stalker 2 has reached a stable state, with the LLFE largely resolved for most players. The game now boasts over 95% stability ratings on platforms like Steam and GOG. While a small subset of players with non-standard setups may still encounter occasional LLFEs, GSC Game World continues to provide support and monitor crash logs. The trend in gaming is shifting towards proactive support, where developers use real-time telemetry and community feedback to quickly address issues. GSC adopted this approach, leading to faster patch cycles and targeted fixes. Furthermore, AI-assisted debugging tools are emerging to help identify patterns in crash data. Looking ahead, expect even better pre-launch testing and cloud-based stability checks to minimize issues like the LLFE. GSC plans to release expansions with built-in safeguards against regressions, indicating a commitment to long-term stability.